So as I mentioned, I received the results of the PET scan. Good news. We have, I guess, found something to work with, but we still need another biopsy to make sure that what they found is in fact the primary tumor. I read the full report, and I'm going to explain now where the the potential problem area is based on their description. So this is a representation of what I think are just some of the basic structures that are important now. Everything you see in green is the lymphatic system, and each one of the small grains here look like a small coffee bean is a lymph node. So and you can also see these two slightly larger bean-shaped red structure here. Uh, these are the tonsils, and in my case, they're reduced because I removed them when I was very young, but there's still some left, and that's why they found metabolic activity after the PET scan. So that's probably what it is. Um, and in these lymph nodes here, you see this cluster. This is where it got infected. As you can see, it's pretty close to the tonsil. And here, what you can see is the the base of the tongue, which is also closed. So this whole area here is where they suspect the tumor is. At this moment, they suspect it's pretty small, but we are gonna have more details after the surgery that was scheduled for Thursday. So let me stop here as well. So just to conclude, on Thursday, today's Tuesday, 2 days from here, we're gonna have they're gonna remove the tonsils, probably unless they find something very obvious, but which is one way to have a more conclusive biopsy is by removing the whole tonsil, so they can take to the pathologist, they can slice it and see pretty close, and then there is probably no doubt about the site. Depending on what he finds, he may decide to take just a small tissue. He said the size of a poppy seed, pretty small for biopsy. Probably gonna do both. So Thursday, a second biopsy, hopefully the last one. But overall, good news. We're pretty close to finding where the cancer originated, and it's probably gonna help me with the treatment. If the doctors are confident enough that that's where it is and there's no sign that it has spread to the other side of the mouth, then probably treatment can be simpler and less invasive, therefore less long-term consequences.